What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. Today I'm going to be replacing my hood latch. I broke it the other day, and so I bought this one on Amazon, and it seems pretty solid. It's aluminum. This one has the 2 hex. Oh, I gotta flip that other one around. So it's got these 2 screws instead of 1. I chose that thinking that, you know, it's gonna have a better grip. All right, and so let me show you guys this real quick. So here is the little plastic that broke off, the lever they broke off from, and where did I put that? Let me see. Oh, right here. Okay, so here's the piece that broke. It was attached to that. It was attached to that right there. And so what I did was I just used some pliers and I cut it so that now it's got a little bit piece of that metal piece hanging out. Alright, and yeah, you could just use this. It's pretty easy. Just cut it off. That gave me about, I would say, about a 1/2 inch right there. Okay, so I can install the new one in. All right, so let me go and do that now. We could see if this thing works or not. All right, guys. So I had to cut it a little bit longer, and so I just did that. Now we could just slide this little piece off. Okay, so now that looks like it's about 1 inch long now, and the reason for that is because earlier it would not go past the second Allen screw, and so it would not have a grip on it. Now it does. Push it in. Okay, that should be good. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the screws. Now, this hood latch from Amazon also came with the Allen key. I'll push it in some more. Oh yeah. So you guys can cut off maybe a good inch of that plastic sleeve, so this Allen screw can grip on it. I think that's best. Okay. Now this hood latch, the one I chose, is black, but they come in multiple colors. Whatever you guys prefer. I just chose black. Okay, so that's pretty tight. I don't think that thing is going anywhere. Alright, so now you don't have to worry about it breaking. Now let's test it out and see what happens. There you go. Pop that hood open. Yep, so it opened it. Now it's closed. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video of this. Now, this is on a 98 CRV, but yeah, this door latch should work for a 97 to 01. All right guys, that's it. Later.